Greetings. Peace. Prosperity Priestess. Just wanted to show you these falafels live in action. Then I put the other half in the oven to go ahead and bake. Over here, we have the dough being made. Ooh, yes. Ooh. Sifting the flour. Already know. Yes. It smells good. I already showed you guys the lentils earlier. Garlic masala, the white rice. Walk with me. Oh, yes. And I use, where's my milk at? Oh, it's right here. I use the vegan buttermilk. Go right back in the fridge till I need to use the rest. Boom. We have the salmon over here doing what it's doing. Marinating right quick. We'll stay in there. Chefing it up. Enjoying life. You already know. Living my best life. Remember to always ask the ancestors and surely seek spirit.